Good morning and Sairam to all the students. Students, I hope you all are learning at home. As you know, our exam will start soon. So, today we are not going to start our new chapter. We are going to recall our previous chapters. So, in this session, I'm going to take our chapter number 1 from our English book, that is A New House. As everybody know, the author of a chapter is Neil Gaiman. In our main class, I have taught you about Neil Gaiman. So today in this session, with the help of summary, I'm going to tell you about the story again. A New House. This is a chapter based on a girl. Her name is Coraline. Coraline and her parents move into a large old house with expensive grounds. The parents work from home. I repeat, the parents work from home and give their daughter fairly little attention, means a very little attention and time. Coraline is fidgety and in constant search of activities that will keep her involved and interested because she was not having much time, because the parents are not having much time, so she has to keep herself busy by exploring the garden grounds and outside the door. But what happened one day, on a particular rainy day, Coraline is especially restless because her mother will not let her explore outside. She loves to exploring, but because on that day there was a heavy downpour, so her mother not let her explore outdoors. But then her father set off an indoor adventure. Do you remember that indoor adventure? Yes, it was counting everything in blue, counting everything in blue and the house. So she started counting everything, door, windows, cups, plates, everything she counted. While busy with it, Coraline discovered a brick up door that piqued her interest momentarily, and she found that door which was bricked up. That door was not going anywhere, and afterwards her mother closed that door. But what happened after that? Later at night, Coraline toasted about in her bed, unable to sleep. She goes to inspect some strange noises that seem to be emanating from the hall. There she thinks she sees some black bizarre black shoddy from form move about. She noticed that door is opened. She returned to her bed. She dreamed of little shape with red eyes and yellow teeth. What happened that day? She found, or she seen some shadowy form move from one place to another that make her self restless. So Coraline is disturbed in her sleep, and she also dreamt about those black shoddy creatures. So this is a story about the Coraline and her new house. Now student, what we will do? We will recall our book exercise. So here I have written a true false from the book. Here Coraline family had just moved into a new house. Yes, they just had moved into a new house. There was a heavy downpour that day. True, on a particular day there was a heavy downpour. Coraline liked to stay at home Most of the time? No, false. Because she loves to explore. What she loves to? She loves to explore. She don't want to sit most of the time at home. She loves to explore. Coraline did what her father suggested as true. What she did, she counted everything in blue. Yes, she did. The story is set in winter. False. The story is not set in winter. Coraline parents spend a good amount of time with her. False. They gave very fairly little attention to her. Coraline parents, because they were busy at work, so they gave very fairly little attention. So now true false clear. Let's do some plurals. Now journey. What is the plural of journey? Journeys. JOURNEYS. Student, when there is a Y and before Y there is a vowel, so we use S after that. So we should see before vowel if there is a before Y if there is a vowel, so we should use S. Now calves, CALF, it become calves, CALVES. Now country. Now here you can see before Y there is a consonant, so we remove Y and we add IES. What we add? IES. So it become countries. Now watches. Watch become watches. WATCHES. Mouse, everybody knows mice. Double O remove with, we change with double E. So foot become feet. But fish will be fish only. Fish will be fish. And ox become oxen. So these are the plural of some words from your book exercise. Now let's see word meaning. What we will see? Word meaning. Commercial and advertisement. Explore, to travel around a place in order to learn about it. Splash, to fall. Disguise, to change appearance. Scuttle, to run quickly with short steps. So now learn this word meaning and you have to choose the correct answer in the exam. Now let's do RTC, reference to context from your book. Now here some lines from the book is given. According to these lines, the questions are there. Let's see what are the questions. What should I do? Asks Coraline. Who is Coraline speaking to? So here Coraline is speaking to her mother. Why does she ask this question? She asked this question because she was stuck at home due to rain and getting bored. Because that day there was a heavy downpour, she was stuck at home due to rain and getting bored. What does she want to do? She wants to go out and explore. Learn these questions at home, students. Okay, now question number 2. It was time to talk her father. Who wants to talk to whose father? Coraline wants to talk to her father. Why does the narrator say this line? Coraline was running out of option to keep herself entertained. The narrator said that line to emphasize her desperation. That's why narrator said these line to emphasize her desperation. What did the speaker wish to talk about? Coraline wanted to talk about what she could explore and where. What she could explore and where. So this stanza is all about her father. Her father means Coraline father, because that day she was getting bored and she wanted to explore something. That's why she went to her father and asked for the options. Now question number 3. If you don't make a mess and you don't touch anything. So here they are talking about their drawing room, because that drawing room is full of expensive furniture. Who said this and to whom? Caroline father said this to her. Her here means Caroline. Caroline father said this to her. Why did the speaker set these conditions? Speaker means the father. The father said this because the furniture in the room was very expensive. As I told you, they are talking about their drawing room where they kept their very expensive furniture, which is only for the best. So that's why they are telling this. Which place was the speaker talking about? Here they are talking about their drawing room. Here they are talking about their drawing room where they kept the very expensive furniture which Caroline's grandmother left. Okay, so here in the third stanza, the Caroline and her father is talking about the drawing room where they kept their very expensive furniture. Now in this chapter we will, so there they kept very expensive furniture, as I told you. So here we have done our question answer reference to text also. So student, what you have to do, you have to read the chapter, because the question paper will come in MCQ, so you can find anything from the book also. Read the chapter, do the book exercises properly, you will get the paper as in the form of MCQ. So it will be very easy if you know the chapter very well, that what will be the answers, because you are getting the options. Let's see our word meaning again. Here commercial and advertisement. Explore, to travel around a place, and in order to learn about it. Splash, to fall. Disguise, to change appearance. Scuttle, to run quickly with short step. Let's see true false. Caroline family had just moved into a new house. True. There was a heavy downpour that day. True. Caroline liked to stay at home most of the time. False. Caroline did what her father suggested her. True. The story is set in the winter. False. Caroline's parents spend a good amount of time with her. False. Okay. Now plural form. Journey, journeys. JOURNEYS. Fish will be fish. Ox, oxen. Calf, CALF become calves. CALVES. Country become countries. COUNTRIES. Watch become watches. WATCHES. Mouse become mice. MICE. Foot become feet. FEET. Fit. So these are some plural forms. Now RTC, reference to contest. So these are some question answer which you are going to learn from your notebook, and there are some other question also. Learn that, read the chapter again and again, and now with the help of chapter reading you will easily solve the question. So learn for your exam. Read the chapters, see the previous video again and again, and as I told you, the question paper will come as a MCQ pattern, so it will be very easy to find out the question and of their answers. But If you will not read the chapter, it become very difficult. So learn at home, and all the best for your exams.